All right, ladies and gents. So in January, I was lucky enough to win the Barefoot Buttons giveaway, and they create custom buttons that go on your pedals, your pedal board, and they're here. So I'm gonna try to open this one-handed. Let's see what we got. Whoa. Little case. Oh, yeah. Oh, some nifty colors, huh? Oh, yeah. I know what these colors are for. Set screws. Some mini buttons. Oh, yeah. Little boy's doing school. Hey, doing school? Nice. Okay. Oh, we got a sticker too. All right, let's open this. Oh, yeah. Custom Mandalorian, Boba Fett, and Fodera buttons. Oh yeah, gorgeous. Some of you may have seen the little preview post that I did. That one's so shiny. There we are. This is the way. See my pop socket? Oh yeah, I'm a nerd. Awesome. Okay. Let's go install these bad boys on the board. Okay, all done. Now we can talk about what we're looking at here. So I put the Fodera butterfly on the tuner pedal. And what's cool is it'll change based on the shadowing. And then I got some mini ones for the mini Coronas and Vortex. And then I've got my Mandalorian over here on the Ditto X2. Now, on the Aguilar pedals, I wanted to commemorate the colors of the standard issue Aguilars. So I did it sort of a creative way with the buttons. So the original color for the Optimizer is red, so it's got a red button. Aggro is sort of a grayish silver, but I went with chrome just to be fancy schmancy. There's the camera there. The Filter Twin is sort of a sea foamish green. And I just went with a green for that pedal. And then of course, Grape Phaser is a purple color, so there's the purple button on the Grape Phaser. So there you go. I am super grateful for these buttons because I was gonna buy some and then I won the prize. It's pretty awesome. I spoke with Barefoot Buttons and they are coming out with these larger bore buttons later this year. So if you have the mash button, this is about a ½ inch in diameter. So they're coming out with a new bore size for these particular TC Electronics size buttons, which will be great. So I'm gonna buy buttons for those, and that's gonna be awesome. But it's just a little bling on the already fantastic pedal board. So there you go. Fantastic. Love it. Barefoot Buttons, awesome. Thanks to everybody there. I'm lucky to have these. This is awesome. I rarely win anything. So, yeah. Fodera. this is the way. Oh yeah. Love it, guys. Thanks so much for checking it out. We'll see you later.